Good day, car buddies, and we're here at Hyundai Silang, and it's me, Tony, and we're here with Ara and Sir James, and we're really excited to review this baby here. We have the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. And Sir James, please do invite them and introduce yourself po.
Yes, my name is James Montaya. I'm the sales manager here at Hyundai Silang. I am inviting you guys to see and also feel kung anong meron dito kay aking Hyundai Santa Fe. Basically, it's a boxy new design. So, ang tawag namin dito sa kanya, it's all in a box. Meron kang wireless charging, it's a 4x4. Napakaganda ng interior. Ang seats, front passenger and driver, mamaya isa-showcase ng this beautiful lady. Here at Hyundai Silang, just contact the numbers, i-propose nila para sa reservations and also doon sa viewing ng aming mga variants for the all-new Hyundai Santa Fe.
Sir, before we start, pwede po namin matanong kung kailan po ito na-launch?
Basically, we will be launching this one this month. Medyo nauna lang tayo ng konti para at least for CarView PH, medyo special. Anyways, happy 60K pala. And then parang malapit na tayo with 100.
Yes.
Okay, so mukhang si Santa Fe magdadala ng 100K natin ngayon. Okay.
So, ipa-flash na lang din po namin yung contact number ni Sir James. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's start na po.
Let's go.
Alright.
Let's go. As we can see this design, it is bigger and more spacious and also a lot of features to offer na later on i-discuss natin yan. And katulad nga po ng sinabi ni Sir James na it's boxier compared sa mga dating design ni Santa Fe. And yung car style niya is really made for 2024. So this Hyundai Santa Fe has been redesigned from top to bottom, front and back, and also they have an interior design that is far from its predecessor. Some people says it looks like a Land Rover Defenders, but makita naman natin, di ba, parang pinsan lang siya ng Kia EV9. Regardless of its style, the Hyundai mostly designed their new car models in a very bold and unique looking, katulad na lamang ng mga nasa likod na Stargazer and Staria. By the way, sa mga hindi pa pala nakakilala sa akin, ako nga pala si Ara, and this is my second vlog here in CarView PH. And in this video, we will do a complete walk around with Miss Tony in this 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.5T in a calligraphy variant, all-wheel drive 8DCT. So, do you like the design? We would like to hear your opinion, so comment down below. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more car review like this. If you are considering it now, there are 3 available variants for our 2024 Santa Fe to choose from. First, we have 2.5 GLS 8-speed 2-wheel drive. Second, 2.5 GLS 8-speed all-wheel drive. And in this top spec calligraphy, it costs 3.1 million pesos. And the other prices of other variants will be posted here in our screen. So in terms naman sa colors, we have 6 available colors. First, we have Abyss Black Pearl, Creamy White Pearl, Magnetic Silver Metallic. Next is Earthly Brass Matte and Okado Green Pearl. And also, we have Terracotta Orange like this one. That's for the exterior. And pagdating naman sa interior, we have 2. First is the Obsidian Black, the GLS models. And number 2 is the Black Ink and Pecan Forest Green for the calligraphy variants. Now, let's open the hood and check the engine. This 7-seater SUV has a 4-cylinder 2.5-liter SmartStream turbo gasoline engine and mated to an 8-speed wet DCT capable of producing 281 PS and 422 Nm all-wheel drive with paddle shifters. And as you can see naman, it has a hydraulic assist kaya hindi na tayo mahihirapan buksan ng ating hood. And for the warranty naman, Hyundai offers 5 years or 200,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. So, let's start with the exterior design. titignan naman natin yung front fascia. Unang tingin, lahat talaga sa kanya is huge. Lalo na yung wood, yung windshield, and yung first impression ko dito is parang ang lakas ng datingan niya, parang machong-macho talaga. Pero kahit boxier siya tignan, mas maganda pa rin yung kanyang aerodynamics compared dun sa mga dating model ng Santa Fe. Kasi mas mababa yung kanyang coefficient of drag. Unang napansin ko dito is yung logo nila na instead na nakaangat is nandito lang siya, naka-flatten lang, and also color black din siya na nagmamatch siya sa kulay or sa theme nung ating kotse. Dito naman sa ating grills, kung makikita nyo, pag tinignan siya sa malayo, para lang siyang all black. Pero pag lumapit tayo, makikita natin yung mga details dito na dark chrome at nagbibigay ng elegance dun sa style ng ating kotse. Dito naman tayo sa lower area natin, which is makikita natin meron siyang continuous gloss black. And sa center natin is yung camera natin, which pwede siya magamit for 360 degrees camera. And meron tayong active air flaps na sa ngayon, nakasara pa siya kasi patay pa yung engine. Pero pag binuksan yung engine, magbubukas to, magkaroon ng hangin yung loob or makapasok. So ngayon, di ba, kung makikita natin, napaka-neat and minimalist yung style dito. Kung makikita natin yung grills dito sa baba, is the same din siya ng grills dito sa taas. And meron tayong parking sensor here, and 4 yung parking sensor natin. And yung box dito sa baba is the ADAS sensor. And dito naman sa ating lower bumper, kung mapapansin nyo, is may design din siya na parang suklay. So let's check naman kung ano yung itsura ng kanyang lights. Isa sa mga unique and creative design ng Santa Fe ngayon is yung kanilang H motif. Kung mapapansin nyo, di ba, may H dito sa headlights and may H din doon. And yung nagko-connect sa kanilang lights is malaking H siya kung titingnan. Kung mapapansin nyo dito sa lower, meron din siyang malaking H na design. Kaya halatang pinag-isipan at pinagugulan talaga to ng time. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, yung ating mga ilaw, which is the headlights and DRL, is lahat sila is made of LED. And yung malaking H dito is nagiging turning signal din siya. Nagbabago yung kanyang color. Kung ang headlights natin dito ay projector, sa mga mababang variant naman, meron silang multi-reflector. So dito naman sa baba natin, wala man tayong fog lamps, pero meron tayong functional air dumps. So wrap siya in gloss black, and then kung makikita nyo dito sa ating side profile, connected din yung gloss black here. And meron siyang side sensor. So dito naman tayo sa ating wheels. Yung size ng wheels natin is 245/45 R21. And sa rims naman niya, kung mapapansin nyo, is gloss black siya. Nagmamatch siya dun sa theme ng kanyang car. As you can see, yung design niya is para siyang shuriken or sun. Pero it depends na rin kung ano yung perspective niya dito. Pero para sa akin, napakaganda ng design niya and ang classy. So pagdating naman sa ating braking system, all-disc brake naman. And pagdating naman sa suspension, dito sa harap natin is MacPherson, while sa ating likod is the multi-link. So meron din tayong Santa Fe badge here, and yung side mirror niya na body color with gloss black, and the side camera here, and LED turning signal. And lastly is yung kanyang blind spot monitor dito sa bandang salamin. And this one is power fold and power adjust. Sa atin namang door handle, kakulay din siya ng ating body color, and also meron din siyang smart entry here. So in terms pala ulit sa gloss black, may gloss black tayo here, and then sa baba, gloss black din siya. Sa roof rail naman natin is matte black. And dito naman sa side, meron din tayong side handle na matte black finish din siya. So kung may aabotin man kayo dito or may ilalagay kayo sa taas, hawak lang kayo dito and iaangat nyo lang yung paa nyo. So para naman sa side handle natin, kung hindi natin siya gagamitin, pwede natin siyang i-lock. So meron tayong susi para dyan. So first, we have the key fob and yung susi natin para dun sa ating side handle. So dito lang yan guys, ipapasok lang natin siya dito. Yan. Hindi na siya magagalaw. Dito naman sa ating key fob, meron tayong 4 buttons. First is yung lock and unlock. Then yung remote start. And sa gilid, makikita natin, ito yung ginagamit for tailgate. Since nandito tayo sa ating side, babanggitin ko na rin kung ano ba yung dimension ng ating Santa Fe. 4,830 by 1,900 by 1,780 millimeters, 2,815 millimeter wheelbase, and 177mm ground clearance. So, with that dimension, diba, napakahaba naman yan. And expect na natin na napakaluwag niyan sa loob. And i-check din natin yan with Tony. Pagdating naman natin dito sa back side, makikita natin yung shark fins antenna, the third brake light, and also, meron din tayong defoggers, which ito yung mga linya na to. And yung ating wipers is nandito sa likod, na nakatago siya. So, good thing din yon kasi pag tinignan natin siya is mas neat siya tingnan and yung mga alikabok or down is hindi doon mag-accumulate sa ating wipers. As you can see naman, yung logo natin is low profile din siya katulad ng nasa harap natin. And black din siya, katulad na lang din yung sa Santa Fe, paras black. And dito makikita din natin yung 2.5T. Pagdating naman dito sa ating tail lights, the same din siya ng nasa harap. Meron din siyang H dito. And dito naman sa ating turning signals, it's nasa baba siya. And then hanggang dito sa likod ng Santa Fe, hindi din mawawala yung gloss black natin. Kung makikita nyo, may gloss black dyan. And then yung exhaust pipe natin. So kung sa harap natin is parang boxier siya, diba? Dito makikita natin is mukha na siyang roundish and para siyang mga tailgate ng van, ganyan. Pero good thing din yun kasi mas madaling na siyang ma-open. So let's open this. Powered tailgate din to. And meron din siyang function na kapag hawak mo yung susi, and then lumapit ka dito, kung saan na din siya mag-open. And kung mapapansin nyo, yung height nito is napakataas niya, di ba? And kung mababa lang din yung person, pwede din siya ma-adjust. So, hindi siya mahirap gamitin. As you can see naman, meron tayong 400 liters trunk space here. And kapag pinaba natin yung ating seats, magkakaroon tayo ng 1,000 liter trunk space. So, napaka-wide. So, ang dami nating pwedeng mailagay dito. Lalo na good siya for travelings, yan, pag mag-outing tayo with families. And super convenient niya. So, dito, meron pa tayong additional compartment. So, makikita nyo, dito sa side na to, dito natin pwede ilagay yung ating tools. And sa side na to, malaki din yung space niya na pwede nyo pang paglagyan ng other things. Dito din natin makakonect yung spare types natin sa ilalim. Now, which is temporary din naman. We also have this one that are now covered. Pwede natin to ilagay dito kung gusto natin ng more privacy. Yan, like that. Kung dito sa ating third row, meron tayong 50-50. Sa second row naman, meron tayong 60-40. And as you can see, meron tayo ditong remote button na instead na pupunta pa tayo dun sa second row para i-fold, i-click lang din natin yung button na to. Yan, like that. So, napaka-convenient na, diba? And as you can see, napaka-flattened niya and ang lawak ng space niya dito. So, dito naman sa left side natin, meron siyang 12-volt socket and mga hooks na pwede natin pagsabitan. So, whatever variant you choose, you get the same safety features, including the full array of Hyundai SmartSense, including the adaptive cruise control, forward and reverse collision avoidance assist, lane keep and lane following assist, blind spot monitor, 360 degrees cameras, front, rear, and side parking sensors. For the standard safety features, we have 8 SRS airbags, electronic stability control, hill start assist, downhill brake assist, the tire pressure monitor, and also the ISOFIX. So, tara na sa interior, isa na natin to.
Alright, napakita na ni Ara yung exterior natin. So, let's start here sa interior sa ating door panel. As you can see here, this is a leather and very soft leather siya. And it also has stitches. And we have here a flash door handle. And meron tayong dalawang setting for the driver memory seats. And here naman, makikita natin dito yung mga controls for the side mirror and for the windows. And here, meron tayong bottle holder and reflector para sa safety natin, of course. And meron din tayong speaker. We have 6 speakers here. Though meron tayong 6 speakers, meron naman din tayong 12 cup holders and 4 bottle holders inside. So, let's go! For our seats naman, we have a Napa leather here. Very, very comfy siya. And we have here the controls. We have a 6-way power adjust. We have a 4-way lumbar support. And for the leg support, we also have here. And meron tayong feature for the relaxation seat. So, pipindutin lang natin to. Yan, automatic na siya. And hintayin mo lang siya kung saan siyang magre-relax. Good night, guys! And pag babalik mo siya, pipindutin mo lang din siya dun ulit. Long press. I'm back! Hi, car buddies! Very comfortable talaga sa seat na to since meron siyang side support here and heated and ventilated na rin yung seats natin. Both the driver and the passenger seats. So let's start here sa button sa left side. We have here a tailgate control, traction control, electronic parking brake. And as you can see here, meron tayong ambient lights na color blue here. Letter H yan, nagko-connect yan from the driver's seat to the passenger seat. We have here a leather dashboard, and as you can see, meron dun butas because this is for the heads-up display sa ating calligraphy variant. As you can see here, meron tayong fingerprint scanner for the driver profile, and masiset up na dun yung ating side mirror, air cons, and even our seats. We have here a 12.3-inch screen for our gauge and our infotainment. We have here a panoramic display. As you can see, very driver-centric siya. And we also have here a carbon touches. And ibang-iba na siya sa mga Hyundai na cars before. And let's go here sa ating steering wheel. Leather wrap siya. And as you can see here, hindi siya letter H, but it is a Morse code for letter H. Kaya ganyan yung design niya. And we have here the controls. Sa left side naman, we have the ADAS control and our cruise control. While sa right side naman natin, we have the calls and for the audio controls as well. And meron naman tayong, kung mapapansin nyo, wala tayong shifting knob here kasi nandito na siya sa side. Now, electronic shifter na siya. So, hindi siya typical na shifters, pero as you go along, masasanay ka rin sa paggamit nito. We have here the paddle shifters. And sa left side natin, we have a headlight control and automatic na siya. Sa right side naman, meron din tayong wiper controls and it is also automatic already. And check natin if tilt and telescopic itong ating Santa Fe. Oh, very tilt and telescopic already. And check natin yung horn. Ay. We have here the map lights and easy touch na siya, sensitive touch na siya. And we have here the dual sunroof options, yung front and rear. The thing here is, yung front natin is nabubuksan yung cover niya and yung glass. But dun naman sa likod, fixed glass na siya, pero nabubuksan din naman yung cover. So we have here a sun visor for the driver and the passenger. Meron na din tong lights. And meron din tong mirror. Okay, close na natin to. And for the rear view mirror naman, it's auto-dimming na siya. We have here a 6-inch sensitive touch displays for the aircon. And it is already dual zone automatic na siya. Yan, off natin. And we also have here physical buttons for the aircon as well. And for the infotainment naman, meron din tayong physical buttons as well. We have here auto hold and meron tayong tatlong driving modes. And meron din tayong tatlong terrain mode. And as you can see here, meron tayong hill descent control. And meron tayong camera na 360. Yan, makikita natin yan sa screen natin. And for last is, meron tayong parking sensor, on and off. So here naman, meron tayong dalawang wireless chargers for the driver and the passenger. And as well as meron tayong Type-C USB charging port here. And makikita nyo merong UVC, which is for the sterilization of our gadgets here. Pwede natin lagay yung mga tablets, phones natin here. So, meron tayo dito sa ilalim nating 12-volt socket here and meron tayong malaking space. So, pwede nating paglagyan ng mga gamit. Very spacious talaga tong car na to. So, meron naman tayo ditong dalawang huge cup holders and meron tayong armrest but mabubuksan yan from here sa ating driver's seat and pwede rin here sa likod. So, ma-access ng mga nasa likod, hindi na sila mang-storbo ng driver. So for our glove box naman, unique yung way ng pagbukas niya. Very spacious as meron pa tayong tray here. So sa ating seats naman, for the passenger seat, wala siyang lumbar support, pero it has a relaxation mode and leg control. And sa likod naman tayo. So sa door panel naman natin, meron tayong dalawang cup holder, meron tayong isang bottle holder sa ilalim, and meron tayong switch for the window, and meron din tayong option dito for the heated seats. And also, meron tayong sun shade. And ang ating texture is same pa rin. Leather na soft and very malambot ang ating armrest. Dito naman tayo sa taas, meron tayong black headliner and meron tayong individual dome lights and nandito siya sa may handle nakalagay. And here naman, meron tayong fixed glass. And for our armrest naman, ipupul lang natin to. Meron na naman tayong dalawang cup holders. Sabi sa inyo, meron tayong maraming cup holder dito. And meron din tayong tray dito. Very spacious siya. Marami tayong pwedeng ilagay ng mga gamit here. So, meron naman tayo ditong dalawang charging ports. USB din siya. And wala man tayong air vent sa gitna. It's because nandito siya sa side. Alright? At makikita nyo naman here, sa may upuan, na meron tayong option para tayo yung mag-adjust nung passenger seat. Especially kung walang nakaupo dyan sa harap, hindi ka na mahirapan mag-adjust since nandito yung options para ma-adjust natin yung passenger seats. So makikita natin dito yung back pockets. Yan, napupul siya. And ito yung mga hooks natin. And as you can see, nandito pa rin yung markings na letter H. Even here sa ating stitches na leather na pa. And kung titingnan naman natin yung sa headroom, very spacious siya. Kung titingnan nyo, like full hand ko na tong nakataas. Here naman sa legroom natin, napakalaking space niya. So, very comfy talaga to. So, dito naman sa ating floorings natin is very comfortable pa rin siya kahit sa gitna nakaupo kasi mababa lang yung ating tunnel. Okay? So, check naman natin kung comfortable naman sa third row, sa last row natin. So, para naman makapasok tayo sa likod, sa third row, meron ditong pipindutin na button. One touch lang yan and pak! Makakapasok na tayo. So, nandito na tayo sa third row natin. So, napakalaking improvement nitong Santa Fe ngayon because sa previous na review before ni Zara, yung seat na to is talagang nasa sahig na siya. But ngayon, medyo lifted na siya. So, comfy na siya. So, sa legroom natin, may space pa din, as you can see, may space pa din. So, comfortable pa din tayo kahit nandito na tayo sa third row. And sa headroom naman, may onting curve dito but still, it's very spacious as well. So, dito naman, meron tayong sariling option para ma-adjust natin yung fan speed natin. And as well as, meron pa ring charging port for the left and right side natin. So, walang malulowbat sa pamilyang to. And then, we also have here 2 cup holders. Pati sa kabila, 2 cup holders. In a total of 12 cup holders and 4 bottle holders as well. And dito naman sa taas, meron pa rin tayong dome lights. And ito naman, itong back na to is nare-recline to gamit tong strap na to. Okay, dito naman sa pwesto natin, kasya yung tatlong ako. Tatlong Tony. And comfortable pa din siya compared talaga sa dating Santa Fe. And now, let's go back to Ara.
That concludes our full review to the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe in Calligraphy Bayan.
And before that, we would like to thank Hyundai Silang for having us here. And to Sir James na nag-assist sa amin, very thank you po. And kung meron kayong questions and gusto nyo mag-visit here sa site, i-flash na lang po namin yung mga informations here.
Before we end our video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and
click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga vlogs. So, see you in our next videos!
Sa atin namang doorknob, body call, ano ba to? And pagdating naman sa ating H lights, yan, hanggang likod. Pagdating naman dito sa ating tail lights, almost, ginaya din yan, ginaya. Pagdating naman dito sa ating H,
for the calligraphy variant, cruise controls, and for the, hindi ko alam to, sir. So, bababa ko lang. Yan.